Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how I combine the Mistress Hair Balm and the Best Life Hair Oil to create defined and shiny curls. Starting on styled damp hair, I add the Mistress Hair Balm to my palms and smooth it onto my curls. I finger coil individual curls to add extra moisture and definition. Once my hair is about 80% dry, I grab my diffuser to dry my hair. Lastly, I smooth the Best Life Hair Oil all through my curls, using it to separate my curls without causing frizz and adding shine. This oil is 100% plant powered with maki berry superfruit, baobab oil, and marula oil, which provide omega-3s, vitamins, and antioxidants to help support healthy hair and protection. A trick I use for this oil is to smooth it onto my pick, so I'm adding back some shine while adding volume to my roots. I love that this oil is so lightweight and doesn't weigh my hair down. And that's how I combine the Best Life Hair Oil and the Mistress Hair Balm for defined and shiny curls.